So in this Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to check or how to view the cash flow of a company or a stock here on Google Finance. So once Google Finance is opened up, I want you to select a company or a stock of your choice. So for this demonstration, I'll just use PayPal right here because it's in front of me. I will then press on that. Once you have the company selected, just scroll down to the bottom to where it says financials. Make sure that income statement is not selected. Instead, you want to go ahead and view cash flow right here and press on the drop down. And once you're here, you can check the quarterly or the annual cash flow for the selected company. So, for example, just press annual right here. And then once you're here, you can check the net income, the cash from operations, investing, financing, etc., and the bunch of different stats that go into the cash flow statement. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to view the cash flow of a company on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.